Do you need the court to help you stay safe in your house? Well, here's 3 tips to strengthen an occupation order application. Number 1, evidence. Evidence is first, evidence is foremost. Keep a dated chronology and an evidence pack. Messages, emails, photographs of damage or injuries, police incident numbers, GP notes, comments from the school, comments from neighbours. Keep all of that organised, but keep it neutral. Remember, the court deals in facts, not feelings. Secondly, you need to show the risk, and that's referred to in court as the balance of harm. So you need to explain clearly what would happen if the other person stays in the property. You need to share your safety fears. You need to share the sleep disruption. You need to share the safeguarding issues, the stalking, the monitoring, the impact on the children's routines and on their well-being. If there's an immediate risk, say so. Tell the court. The court will consider your application without notice if they believe there is sufficient risk. And thirdly, draft clear but workable terms on your case. Okay, so spell out the address, spell out the exclusion zone that you want. I don't want the other party on this street. I don't want them in the next 2 streets because the school is in the next street. I don't want them there. Explain how belongings belonging to the other party can be collected in order that there's no conflict. And possibly that's using the police, possibly that's using a social worker. Explain the time limit that you want on the order. So I want this occupation order to stay in place for the next 6 months or indeed for the next year. And if there has been some violence, you need to explain to the court that to ask them to consider the power of arrest. So if the other party does abuse the order, you have the opportunity to be able to phone the police and have them arrested. The other option you may want to consider, apart from an occupation order, is a non-molestation order. Entertain these, but work with the practicalities. And the practicalities are you need to file promptly. You need to meet the deadlines. Remember, the court will help you if you help the court. And bring 2 copies of everything. Stay calm, stay child focused, stick to the issues.